guys, today we're gonna do one, and I'm gonna be unlocking yeong today, guys, a seal surfer. And let's get into it. And let's tap to play. Let's just click that button. And all we need is 200,000 points to get yeong. So here's what we're gonna do first to get yeong. Is just come up on these trains, and we're just gonna keep getting the kinds and K's. We keep getting the cans and I guess K's and K's and cans, whatever. Let's just keep getting the coins and keys. So I just woke up. What in the world happened to my mouth? Okay. There's not much spit in my mouth. I need a drink. Oh man. There's no like water or juice or anything. Okay guys, we're almost about to hit the challenge and get the yeong, and we're playing as her in this one right now. So it's cool because you get to play as the character. That's actually really cool. We got 200,000 points. We need about 300,000 points actually. So let's just get 300,000 points. Okay, I thought it was 200,000 points at first. So no. No! I was literally so close to getting her. Look, 7,000 and look, so 17 million. 17 million points, and let's just waste a few keys. What's a few keys behind friends? Badness, but that was a lot of keys. It's really hard to get 9 keys. Sometimes you have to do it. Like, let's just do these gold boosters and we can easily. Let's get yeong. This. Wow. That looks nice. Wow. I got it because when it comes to Subway Surfers, I'm the best. How do I get... How do I get J Balvin? I know about Yeong, but how to get J Balvin? So the only way to unlock J Balvin is to buy him. So the only way to unlock J Balvin is to buy him. Not cool, Bob. Totally not cool. I guess all characters that I don't have to buy in the update. Just one hoverboard to get all the hoverboards that I don't have to buy in this update. There's only like every update I don't have to buy characters like 3 or 2 characters, or maybe 2 or 3 hoverboards. So that's basically how to unlock Jaeyoung in Subway Surfers. Bye guys, hope you had a great, fantastic day. Bye. AGPGG.